Welcome to the lesson on Sanskrit Mantras. In this lesson, we will be learning mantras that can be chanted every day in our lives. Chanting these powerful mantras can improve our intelligence, health, and protect our lives from dangers. Let's have a look at these daily mantras one by one. The first mantra is called the Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra is from the Rig Veda and was discovered by the great sage Vishwamitra. This mantra is a request to the Lord Sun to stimulate or enhance our intelligence in order to make it brighter so that we can learn and grow faster in our lives. Let's chant this mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvah Suva Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Next, let's look at the next mantra. The next mantra is called the morning prayer. This mantra is chanted by looking into your palms in the morning as soon as you wake up from your bed. This mantra is a request to Goddess Mahalakshmi, Goddess Saraswati, and God Mahavishnu to brighten our day so that we succeed in our day. Karagre Vasade Lakshmihi Karamadhye Saraswati Karamule Tu Govindaha Prabhate Kara Darshanam. Next, let's look at the next mantra. This mantra is called the Lord Ganesha Mantra. This mantra is a request to Lord Ganesha to remove all obstacles from our life so that we can succeed in our life without any problems. Let's chant this mantra. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvikhnam Kurume Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. Next, let's look at the next mantra. This mantra is called the Goddess Saraswati Mantra and is a request to Goddess Saraswati, who is the goddess of knowledge and music, to bless us so that we can learn new things and be successful in our lives. This mantra is chanted this way. Om Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kama Rupini Vidya Rambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. The next mantra is called the Guru Mantra. This mantra is a request to all our teachers to bless us so that we can learn from them and succeed in our life. The mantra is chanted as Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Let's learn the next mantra. This mantra is chanted before having food and is a request to the God to remove all impurities from our food and make us understand that this food is offered by the God Himself and is digested in our body with the power of God. And after having the food, the duties that we perform or the work that we perform also is an offering to the God Himself. The way this mantra is chanted is Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam Brahmaivatena Gantavyam Brahmakarma Samadhina. Let's look at the next mantra. The next mantra is called the Mahamrityunjaya Mantra. This mantra is also from the Rig Veda and was discovered by Rishi Markandeya. This mantra is a request to Lord Maha Parameshwar or Shiva to free us from death and lead us to immortality. The way this mantra is chanted is Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urva Rukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshiya Ma Amritat. Let's look at the next mantra now. This mantra is chanted before going to sleep and is also a request to Maha Parameshwar or Shiva himself in order to forgive us for all the wrong things that we have done in our day using our hands, legs, eyes, ears, or with our body, knowingly or unknowingly. Let's chant this mantra. Karacharana kritam kayajam karmajam shravana nayana jamma manasam va aparadam vihitam avihitam va sarvam etat kshamaswa jaya jaya karunadhe Shri Mahadeva Shambhu. Let's look at the last mantra, which is the prayer for world peace. This mantra requests the God for the well-being of everyone in this world. This mantra says, may everyone be happy. May everyone be free from diseases. May everything that I see be free from sorrows. And then peace, peace, peace. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Thank you for watching the lesson on Sanskrit Mantras.